Alright, it's recording. Don't put your hand over the camera. Alright. Here's one crutch.
He's walking on one crutch. As we watch the Saints whip booty on the Eagles.
Third time doing this.
Okay, this kind of is the third time, but kind of not. Alright, he's setting the crutches down.
There's no crutches.
And he is walking by faith. And this is your testimony and your manifestation of all the scriptures you've been sending to Big Daddy. That, my best friend, is a praise report.
Okay.